Hey, I'm going to show you how to find the answer to almost every drywall question you have using my channel. A lot of you have a hard time finding the answer that you're looking for. I get these comments all the time asking questions, and about 70% of the time I can answer it with one of my videos. So that tells me you guys are having a hard time finding my videos to answer your questions. So here's how you do it. This is the same way I do it. I don't have a magic trick because I'm the creator. I go onto YouTube and then I search for a term about that subject. So let's say you want to know how to coat a butt joint. Well, I just type butt joint and then that kilted guy. That will narrow it down to mostly my videos. Now you'll still get a few other channels and maybe they'll have what you're looking for, but often I've got several videos there that might help you. Now, I got another trick I'm going to tell you in a second, but another way would be a little more creative. If you're looking for butt joint, how to coat a butt joint, you might say how to coat drywall or how to coat a joint, or just try different terms and then add that kilted guy. I do this all the time. You guys have a question, the fastest way for me to look it up is go on YouTube and search just like that. Now here's another trick for you. What you could do is go to my channel and look on the videos in the playlist section. And I've got about a dozen playlists. One of them might fit the category you're looking for. Like if it's about popcorn ceilings and asbestos and all that, well, go to the popcorn ceiling playlist and you just might find it. You can scroll through every video in there, pick out the ones you want to watch and just watch those. You don't have to watch them all. Hey, I got one more thing for you. See all the stuff on the table here? Hopefully it's showing up on the camera right. This is just some of the items that I'm planning on giving away. You guys, are you interested in winning things like, say, stud finders, drywall knives, skim coating blades, swag? I've got tons of these wall patches, and like I still have this texture gun to give away, some more of my swag, t-shirts, so on. I get free stuff from vendors fairly often. Well, I want to pass it on to you guys. How am I going to do that? I'm going to put a link in the description right below this video. Just look down there and you'll see how to do it. It's basically through my Patreon page. And if you just go there and become a member, even at the free level, I'm going to give away stuff everywhere on those different levels. Now, of course, the higher levels are going to get the nicer tools and such. But honestly, I'm going to throw in some nice stuff on the cheap levels too. So go check it out. I'd like to give you guys a bunch of stuff if I get enough support. I only have about 23 supporters over there right now. It would really help me out, and I get to pass on some freebies to you guys. So it's a win-win for both of us. Check it out down below. If you have any questions about how to find content on my channel and I didn't cover it here, ask me in the comments down below. And as always, thumbs up, and be sure to come back and check out the next video. I'll see you on that one. Take care, everybody.